Finally, after 6 months of working and using all of Sam's more than 10 years of photo editing experience, Sam has successfully researched and developed FineArt Secret image editing software. Sam put the whole process into this plugin, and from there it increased Sam's image editing speed by 5 to 10 times. In this section, Sam will guide you to use the mask tool to edit images with the FineArt Secret image editing tool. This is a very important feature, because almost all the features of this tool are based on this mask feature. For example, in this picture I will adjust the watercolor. This watercolor is yellow. Sam finds it not beautiful. Sam wants to turn it blue. Then I go to color cast. I choose from yellow, blue. I click on it. Now the water turns green. However, it affects up here. Affects the leaves of this plant. So I have this mask. I will adjust it. Firstly, this mask has opacity. I can change the opacity. For example, if you want to transfer more or transfer less, 20%, then it turns green a bit. 50%. This is a bit green. And 100% it is very green. Then first I can change opacity. Second one is that I have a white layer. It will create a white layer and a black layer on top. Note that the white layer below the black on top, and I can change the opacity or flow. Here my flow is 100%, if I choose 50%. Then it will subtract a part. Here it still has little effect. Before, after. And if I choose 100%, then it will subtract all these colors. Before, after. That's what it means to use the mask. Then note that you need to master this way so that you can edit your photos better. Before, after. Also I can change the mask. Click here. Press Command+I or Control+I. I changed the mask back. This is the bottom white mask and the top black mask. I changed the opposite. Now the leaves are green but the water is yellow. Then I changed back. Command+I. Then you need to master this mask so that you can use it with the FineArt Secret tool. For example, now Sam continues to make this green more green. Plus green. Then it affects the color of the leaves. I can lower the opacity. Or I increase. Similar to this photo, I would like the water to be blue. If I plus water, the water will be greener. So now I don't want the blue sky. I have a mask and I will sweep the sky out. Then the sky is less blue. Before, after. Then I want the sky to be bluer. So now I reduce the opacity. Reduce opacity. But I don't want it in the water, so I'll sweep the water out now. I increased flow 100%. Scan out. Now you can use this mask effectively. Then I want to increase a part, I will keep that part. I scan the other parts out. Mask it will show like that. This is a very important tool that you must master, so that you can practice editing.